Hello traders, my name is Horvat and welcome to a new video analysis in which I will just make one quick update on this cable. Now, as you can see, the market is actually on the intraday basis. I can see some sharp reversals to the downside. So I think that we are reversing from some very interesting levels. So actually what I will do firstly is we will go to the weekly chart. As you can see, we are clearly bearish here since market turned down back in summer of 2014. So obviously I'm expecting even lower levels despite this bounce from a fake breakout beneath this trend line. But still, based on a daily chart, we have lower lows, lower highs in place, which is a notification of a downtrend. Also, if you are familiar with the Elliott waves, then you can count actually this decline as incomplete 5-wave move. Okay, this can be an extended or sharp wave 1, then you have wave 2, then you have 5 waves down within wave 3. Okay, and extended the red wave 1, wave 2, strong down. Strong sharp fall down into wave 3, wave 4 and wave 5, and as our members will know, we were tracking this rally very closely. We even highlighted last week that the market could retrace back for 38.2% compared to wave 3, which is the ideal Fibonacci level for wave 4. Now also notice that back in at start of January, okay, this was a very strong drop in price. So obviously there were some huge orders filled on the downside, which caused strong move. So usually when such strong move occur, I sometimes tend to track the wave counts in the way that this move will be completely covered, okay, before the market resumes the primary trend, which is down. So actually I was looking for a move back into this area, okay, from where this market came or sold off, especially because also 38.2% is at this region. And the second thing is that notice that market back at the end of 2014 made an important floor here. Okay, so firstly support was found here, then here, and then finally we got a sharp decline, a sharp breakout. Okay, so if that was a very important level of based on from a support perspective, okay, because the market was above it at the time, then this could be now very important resistance level if we respect very basics of technical analysis. Okay, so we have seen a decisive break to the downside, we have seen a pullback, and we are now testing the back again those levels. And if we consider or if we put all the details now in one perspective, we have wave 4, we have former swing highs, swing lows that will now turn into resistance. We are looking at a 38.2% retracement. We see a strong move down back in at the start of January that was now covered. So all in all, the market to me is pointing to the downside. Okay, so I was looking for this reversal. In fact, on the 4-hour chart there is no way to count this in impulsive fashion, especially because of this reversal now to the downside. Still, this rally is not completely confirmed as finished. Okay, we need to definitely to see some levels broken on the downside, but because of some strong bearish intraday momentum here, I just decided to put this video on because I think that stuff could get very interesting here. So actually I count this as a double zigzag. We were tracking this week a triangle, running triangle in a wave B, and we have seen a move to the upside in our mentioned resistance zone from where the market is now reversing very nicely. Okay, however, I prepared two intraday wave counts on the hourly chart, and interesting, both are pointing to the downside. So first one is actually running triangle in wave B as I said, and then followed by this expanding diagonal here in wave C, and now reversal to the downside. Now this wave 4 support is still in place, but I think that sooner or later this will be taken out, and this would then invalidate higher highs and higher swing lows, which means the trend uptrend would be considered as finished. Okay, so in that case I will be looking for even more downside in minimum 3 waves. Okay, so that's the one count. The second count is the one that I love even more. It's actually here labeled flat in a wave B position. Okay, and then I have an ending diagonal here in a wave C. So this is even more significant because we know that ending diagonal is a reversal pattern. Okay, it occurs when market has gone too far. Okay, and obviously we can say it went very far here within this retracement, if we consider that can be corrective move. So, and it occurs at the end of a larger trend, and this is currently the larger trend. Obviously is considered as uptrend in that case, but this uptrend can be now reversed based on this pattern. So based on these two wave counts that I'm tracking, based on important levels from a daily chart, I would really not be surprised to see cable turning bearish. Okay, and of course today is Thursday. Still we need bearish daily candlesticks. That's still not happening, but I can see some nice reversals. So if we will be able to take out 1.5450, okay, or close beneath this level, then that would be really nice reversal candlestick. Okay, and I would be definitely looking straight to the downside. Okay. Also, tomorrow is Friday. Friday is also very important for reversals because it's end of the week. So weekly candlesticks is what you should be looking for. So if we will stay bearish today and even more tomorrow, then be aware of more weakness in next week. Okay. For now, this looks very nice. So let me just look at even more detailed structure here. So what I will do is I will save this template. Okay, and we will go to to lower time frames. Just a second. So we will go to down to 15-minute chart. Okay, so looks like that we are turning nicely down here. So this can be wave 1, wave 2. Usually huge leg like this represents wave 3, so expecting wave 4 bounce. Now I will check out my FIB levels here very quickly. So I can see 261.8% is a little bit lower. Okay, I will look now at and 161.8% has just been tested. Okay, so sooner or later we could see some bounce here. Also there was a floor from a former wave 4, so definitely short-term bounce could follow, but still that's not a 5 waves to the downside. Okay, but if we will get this 5 wave decline, okay, then this would be considered as a first leg of a larger bearish waves. Okay, so guys, keep an eye on this wave count because, as I said, it could be very interesting in sessions days ahead. Okay, so for now I think that sooner or later we will have a confirmed top in place and we will see lower levels. If from any reason market will decide to turn back to the upside today during the US trading session, then definitely I will have to adjust the wave count. Okay, so guys, hope you enjoyed the video and I will catch you with the new one very soon. Have a good day.